Yes, hi everybody. Welcome to another one of our episodes, Kaufman to Swiss. We have a couple of new pieces to share with you. We have a beautiful new Tanzanite square emerald cut and emerald and diamond neck piece. This is an amazing piece. As you can see, it opens up like this and easy to use and very effective. Beautifully done in white gold and yellow gold. And we have this unusual ring to go with it, also a Tanzanite, but also multicolor sapphires, very attractive, very unusual stone. Stones over here. And then a new set that's very interesting and very similar but very different is this multicolor or rainbow sapphire and diamond yellow gold. Again, we call it cuff neck piece. Easy to use. And again, very interesting, very effective. And we have beautiful rings to go with it over here, or earrings. We're working on other pieces, but this is the newest piece. Either one would make a super duper addition to your wardrobe. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye for now. Look at the quality of the work back here too.